We are here on the top floor of the Crystal Sands Condominium in Sarasota, Florida. Actually, Siesta Key, Florida. But before we start, just look at this view. It's magnificent. And over there is Siesta Key Beach. Over there, as you can see, that's Sarasota Bay. And way out there in the distance is the Siesta Key Drawbridge, or Stickney Point Drawbridge, I think is what they officially call it. But we're not doing this video to look at the view. We're doing this video to ride this glass elevator. It was installed in 1969 and modernized in 2017. Take a look at that view. Here are the new buttons. They used to be Innovation Universal. We're gonna go to 1. We'll watch the indicator on the way down. Here we are at 1. Take a look up the shaft. That is pretty cool. Now we are going to go back up to 12. We'll stand in the back of the cab, and here's your view. And here we are in 12, back at the top of the tower. Here's your look down the shaft. Now we're gonna go back down to 1. Here's your cab view. By the way, this elevator was out of service from January 2016 until sometime in 2017, or possibly early 2018. Because this elevator suffered storm damage from a tornado in January 2016, and then it wasn't modernized until late 2017 or early 2018. So they are doing work here. We're gonna end this up on 12. Where clothesline works. We're gonna go back down to 1. This time we'll look out the side. You can see Siesta Key Beach. By the way, that building right there is the Excelsior Condominium. Here we are in 12, or 1, excuse me. Going up?
Yeah.
Oh. Where are you going?
7.
So it's interesting how they actually put a 0 in front of numbers 1 through 9. It's not that common. And also, you see, this panel was actually designed for 15 buttons, or 15 floors. Alright, we're gonna take just one more ride. And here we are at 1. We're gonna end at 12. We're gonna get a view this way. When we get up to the top, you'll notice that way in the distance, you might be... Alright, my video cut out because my phone was overheating, but I do want to show you something first. Way out there in the distance, you can see downtown Sarasota. And I'm sure I already showed it to you, but there's Siesta Beach. So yeah. This is a pretty neat elevator with some epic views. So anyway, we're gonna end the video here. The inspection certificate is not yet placed, or it's covered. I don't think it's covered actually, but I don't know, it's not in the elevator. So with that being said, that'll be it.